Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 1 Capstone ticket sales. This is the second chapter of Excel section of my ITLab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email that is mentioned in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can hire me for your complete courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, or writing assignments, computer sciences, etc. So I will start this assignment from step 1 and I will solve this step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. Let's start this assignment. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 1 Capstone ticket sales. First step of the assignment is to download the Excel sheet that I have already downloaded this one Exp19 Excel chapter 1 Capstone ticket sales, and we will apply all the instruction steps in this file and we will make this assignment in the final form. So I have already downloaded this. That is why I will move to next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is merge and center the title over the range A1 up to G1. Change the font size to 20 and apply the purple font color. So basically we are supposed to merge and center the title over this range. So I will select this range A1 up to G1. Let's select this range. So this range has been selected. You can see that this range has the title. So now we are supposed to apply the merge and center. So go to the assignment tab and select merge and center. Now we are supposed to change the font size to 20. So we will simply make it 20 and now we are supposed to apply the font color of purple. So let's apply the purple font color. So you can see that we have completed step number 2. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. Type, this is the date given and we are supposed to type this in cell A2 and apply the long date number format, which includes the day of the week. Apply the note, cell style and merge and center the date over the range. So I will simply copy this and I will paste this in cell A2. So this is cell A2 and we are supposed to paste it here. Now it is saying that apply the long date format. So we are supposed to apply the long date format. So we have applied this. Now next thing to do is we are supposed to apply the node cell style. So we will apply the node cell style from here. Go to styles and select the cell styles. We are supposed to apply the node cell styles, this one. After this we are supposed to merge and center the date over the range. So I will simply copy this range and apply merge and center. So we have completed step number 3 as well. This is simple assignment. You can do this assignment by watching this video and by following me step by step. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. So step number 4 is set a 1-inch top margin and center the worksheet horizontally between the left and right margins. So first we are supposed to apply a 1-inch top margin and then we will center the worksheet horizontally. So we will go to the layout tab, page layout tab and select the custom margins. So we are supposed to apply the 1 inch top margin. So we will make it 1 inch because we are supposed to apply the 1 inch top margin, and then we are supposed to center the worksheet horizontally between left and right margins, and you can see that this is centered horizontally. So click OK. That is all about step number 4. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 5. Insert a footer with the text exploring series on the left side, the sheet name code in the center, and the file name code on the right side. So we are supposed to apply the footer. So to do this step, we will again go to the margins and we will go to the header and footer. After going to header and footer, select custom footer. So we are supposed to type exploring series in the left section. So we will type exploring series in the left section. Then in the center it is saying that the sheet name code in the center and the file name code on the right side. So in the center sheet name code. So you can see that insert sheet name from here, and in the right section we are supposed to type file name, this one, insert the file name and click OK. And you can see that exploring series, that sheet name is sheet 1 and the file name is Exp19 Excel chapter 1 Capstone ticket sale. So we have applied the footer to this worksheet. That is all about step number 5. We have solved 5 steps so far. Let's do step number 6 now. Insert a new row above the row 9 between right and left. The new row is row 9. Copy the data from cell A5 to cell A9 and change the data in cell A9 from front to back. So we are supposed to insert a new row, that is row 9. You can see that I have inserted a new row, that is row 9. And now we are supposed to copy the data from cell A5 to cell A9. So this is cell A5. I will simply copy this one and I will paste it in cell A9. And now we are supposed to change this front to back. So I will simply remove the front and I will type the back. So that is all about step number 6. So let's move to step number 7 now. Step number 7 is indent twice the data in the range A6 up to A8, A10 up to A12 and A14 up to A17. Then change the width of the column A to 18. So I will copy individual range and I will indent that data. So I will select the first one. So we are supposed to indent twice. You can see that decrease indent and increase indent. So we are supposed to increase indent 2 times. So 1 time and 2 times now. So now I will select the second range, that is A10 up to A12. So again I will increase the indent 2 times for this range. And now I will select the third range, that is A4 up to A17. And I will increase the indent 2 times. So you can see that I have increased the indent 2 times for all these 3 ranges. So next thing to do is we are supposed to change the width of column A to 18. So select this one and right click on it and select column width, and we are supposed to change the width of column A to 18. Type 18 and click OK. So we have completed this step as well. So I am solving this each and every step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video as well. So our step number 7 is completed. Let's move to step number 8 now. Use the format printer to copy the formats in cell A4 to range B4 up to G4. So we are supposed to copy the formats from cell A4 and we will apply that format to cell to range B4 up to G4. So this is A4 and this is format printer. So copy this format and apply B4 up to G4. So we will select this range B4 up to G4, and you can see that we have copied the format from cell A4 and we have applied to the range B4 up to G4. That is all about step number 8. So next step to do is wrap text and apply horizontally. Center the label in the range A4 up to G4 and select the height of the row to 4, row 4 to 430. So we will simply select this range first. We are supposed to apply the wrap text, this one, and apply center horizontally, this one. And now we are supposed to change the row height to 30. So we will change the row height to 30. So we have completed step number 9 as well. So total steps in this assignment are 22 and I have completed 9 steps so far. Now I am going to do step number 10. So step number 10 is use find and replace to find all the occurrences of purchased and replace them with the sold. So we are supposed to replace the word purchased with word sold. For this we will simply go to find and replace, this one, and we are supposed to change the purchased with sold, this one, because it is mentioned. So click on replace all and you can see that all done, and we have made 3 replacements so far. So this is step number 10. So next step is step number 11. Change the spelling in the worksheet and correct all the spelling errors, this one. So this is step number 11. We are supposed to check the spelling errors. For this we will go to the review tab and click on the spellings. Do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the worksheet? Yes. So we will change this. And you can see that spell check complete. You are good to go. So I have completed step number 11 as well. So next step is step number 12. Step number 12 is calculate the percentage sold in the cell E6 by dividing the seat sold by the seat in the section. So basically we are supposed to calculate the percentage sold, and we can calculate this by dividing the seat sold by the seat in section. Copy the formula to the range E7 up to E17. Delete the formula in cell E9 and E13 since there are empty rows. So we will go to cell E6 first. And we are supposed to calculate the percentage sold, and percentage sold can be calculated by dividing the seat sold by the seat in the section. So seat sold is here. We will divide this by the seat in the section, this one. And you can see that we have completed this. Now we are supposed to copy this formula down to the column, and we will delete from E9, E13 because there are no values in this range. So we have completed the percentage sold by using this formula that is given in the instructions. So next step is step number 13. Calculate the percentage not sold. So in step number 12 we calculated the percentage sold, but now we are going to calculate the percentage not sold in cell F6 by subtracting the percentage sold from 1. So copy the formula, then we will copy the formula, and then we will delete from the formula from the cells that don't have any values in that range. So we are going to calculate the percentage not sold. So we will subtract the percentage sold from 1. So 1 minus percentage sold, and we will get the result. And now we are supposed to copy this formula down to the column. And now we will delete the values from these cells because these ranges don't have any values. So we have calculated the percentage sold and percentage not sold. So that is all about step number 13. In step number 12 we calculated the percentage sold, and in step number 14 we calculated the percentage not sold. So I am doing this assignment step by step. I started from step 1 and I have completed 13 steps so far. And you can get your assignment done by watching this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have already mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other courses as well, like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, etc. So I have completed 13 steps so far, and for the remaining steps I will just give you an overview so that you can complete this assignment on your own. Let me give you an overview for the remaining steps. Out of 20 steps I have solved 13 steps, and for the remaining 7 steps I will just give you an overview. So this is the complete version of this assignment when you will apply the remaining steps from step 14 to 20, then you will get this final form of the assignment. So I have solved 13 steps. I started from step 1 and up to 13 steps I solved each and everything, and you can complete those steps by watching this video. And for the remaining step you can do on your own, but if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat and I will do this assignment for you. So this is the final version. There will be 2 final sheets in this workbook, 4/16/2021 and 4/17/2021. So I have completed percentage sold, percentage not sold, and gross revenue you can complete on your own. So this is the complete and final version for this assignment. So if you want me to do this complete course including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, you can hire me. My WhatsApp and email is mentioned in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. So my WhatsApp direct link is also given. Just come to WhatsApp and make a deal for your complete course and get A grade in this course. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video.